Alright, let's pack up, let's get going.
Smell good?
Smells nice. Yeah. Smells a little bit of like some diesel fuel.
Go inside to put the pajama on. Yeah.
We don't want to put it out here?
No, I prefer to be against the skin. You haven't tried it?
I like it outside.
Why?
I don't like it against the skin.
Oh, it's gonna be.
He hasn't tried.
I have tried. I tried it one day. I didn't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Why, Michigan?
I don't know. It's not more restrictive. I think if it was thinner and tighter, it would be alright, but mine's a little baggy. So it felt like bulging my clothes. I don't know.
Michigel,
Yes, Double D?
are you already roasting in that?
I am so roasting. I'm ready to go outside because it is hot in here.
That's why I haven't put mine on yet.
I'm ready to go to bed. I'm in pajamas.
I don't think it's 2 p.m. It's not time to go to bed.
He will become here around 12.
Time to head to the airport. Actually, time to head to Iceland. It's about time.
I hope we're heading to Iceland. If we make it to Iceland today, we would be a happy camper.
You wouldn't be camping though.
No, we were supposed to be camping on Friday. That was 3 days ago.
Man,
That didn't work out.
plans change.
Yeah. That's nice. Yeah.
Oh, but clearly.
What's he doing? Michigel, you know what the sign says? It says,
Yeah.
no. Michigel's a rebel. Oh no, I went through the restricted door too. Oh well. Only way to get to the helicopter. Wow.
Quick. It's gonna start.
Oh, I'm getting it.
Oh, you're
You're
getting
an
it.
expert. That's perfectly in there.
Oh, there's a lot of oil, Michigan.
Just look at it.
It's not empty, but
Why not? my pants are falling. You don't want that? A pajama?
Can you believe we washed it in Quebec City?
yeah, not really. Look how thick this is, man. It's like covered in exhaust and then now caked with dust on top of that.
Our aerodynamics are pretty screwed up.
They're being compromised at the moment.
Yeah, look at that.
Like it's caked on here.
This is so black.
Yeah.
And
it's
you
not
too, wow. Whoa, that's
Yeah, whoa.
almost black.
It is, yeah. We need
Well.
to get this baby a scrub down.
Mm-hmm. In Portugal?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, the fees, the guy was a little bit slow, but he was 5%.
Yeah?
Not
And
bad.
the numbers were good? What?
Yeah, only the, there's a handling fee extra. I don't know, he says it's not included. It wasn't that expensive, but...
Everybody's checking in. Checking in. Check. 1, 2.
Number Robinson R66, Charlie Golf, Echo Alpha Kilo. Alpha Kilo, cruise required? Yes, good day, sir. We are ready for liftoff momentarily here. We're going to be departing out to the west, or correction, to the east, towards Reykjavik, and confirming you have our flight plan on file. Alpha Kilo, roger. All have reported. Enter back second on discretion. The wind is 020, magnetic at 2 knots, QNH 1022. 1022. You don't happen to have that in the Mercury, do you?
It's very tight line. There goes. Send it to me.
3018, thank you, sir.
There's no phone. Alright, there pumps. Very good. No
Okay, we check with you, sir, 3. We're going to try and get up higher. We'll see how it goes here.
That's looking nice right now, but I don't want to get sucked under there and then end up at 50 feet burning along, so looks much better now. Yeah. Oh, look at the left. Yeah. Well, that's a beautiful thing to greet you in the morning. Look at this. Woo-wee. It is looking nice.
Charlie Golf Echo, Alpha Kilo information, go ahead. Yes, sir, we just left the Soak, and I'd like to give you a reference to the report here. And start our nocturnal services. Best position is 65.53 north, 36.70 west. Okay, we checked that at 1.5 and estimate is 4 hours and 20 minutes at the moment. Okay, so 4 hours and 20 minutes from now? Affirmative for Echo Alpha Kilo.
Oh man, this feels good. It's been so long since we've been able to take off these suits and fly. We're gonna go fly to a friend's house as soon as we get some fuel here. Be able to fly without these suits on.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
It's gonna be nice, man.
First time in Iceland for you, Misha.
First time in Iceland for me. I'm
Taking
excited.
it off.
Yeah, strip it down.
That's your PJs.
Who's gonna fly with us?
Yeah.
Security purpose.
It's in Mexico country.